Hi, my name is Megha Rao, and in this video, I will be explaining how I was able to test 4 different machine learning models to find the best method for predicting stock prices with the help of Python. In previous videos, I used Python to find the top 20 stocks out of the S&P 500 stock list and compared them on a set of indicators as well as their income statements and balance sheets. Using the top 20 stocks, I used 2 simple machine learning models, the decision tree regressor and the linear regression models, to get predictions for 2 selected stocks. The objective of this video is to use 4 of the more advanced machine learning models and test them out on the top stock from the filtered S&P 500 list, which is AMD, and identify the best model to use for stock price prediction. For this video, I researched the formulas and steps for 4 different machine learning models: simple moving average, linear regression, k-nearest neighbors, LSTM, long short-term memory. First, I began with simple moving average. This is the formula used for simple moving average. The A represents each individual closing stock price. The N represents 248, which is a number generally used when dividing for simple moving average. This image shows the general idea of simple moving average. The predicted closing price for each day will be the average of a set of previously observed values. Instead of using the simple average, we will be using the moving average technique, which uses the latest set of values for each prediction. Next, I researched linear regression. This is the formula used for linear regression. It is also known as the slope-intercept form. The y is the stock price, or the dependent variable. The x is the date, or the independent variable. The model calculates the slope and the y-intercept. Once all the blanks are filled in the machine learning model, can calculate the prediction or the stock price for y. Following this, I researched k-nearest neighbors. This is the formula for k-nearest neighbors. The x is the date and the y is the closing stock price. The formula for k-nearest neighbors is also the formula for finding the distance between 2 points on a graph, but made to apply to a larger range of data. In this case of stock prediction, the model finds the distance between the group of nearest stock prices and calculating the mean value to predict the next stock price. LSTM is extremely useful when we deal with time series or sequential data. When using an LSTM model, we are free and able to decide what information will be stored and what discarded. We do that using the gates. The deep understanding of LSTM is outside the scope of this video. These are all 4 of the new and advanced machine learning models I learned and applied to the top stock. After learning about all 4 machine learning algorithms, I began writing a code to plot the stocks. The entire programming portion was done on Google Colab. On the previous Google Colab, I ran the algorithm to find the top stock that fit all criteria and used that stock for the plotting portion for the new Colab notebook. I began by importing the packages and then imported the data for the AMD stock. Then I set certain settings to create a proper plot. Then I read the CSV file and set date columns as the index and plotted the close price. In the following section, I wrote a program for simple moving average and applied it to the AMD's closing stock price and plotted it. I followed these steps for linear regression, k-nearest neighbors, and LSTM. Out of all the methods tried, the most accurate one is LSTM. But to make any models give better results, you can always perform these machine learning algorithms, giving it more data and information for more accurate results. As you can see, there's a lot we learned about stock prediction through machine learning algorithms. Now I can use this knowledge to pick a stock, analyze and visualize it, and pick a good one to invest in. Thank you for watching.